What's up, guys? Welcome to an edition of Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to Marauders, it's an investment channel. It helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and share. Now, today, we'll be going over Nikola Motors and just basically what they got going on and what I actually think of the company as a whole. Now, that being said, let's jump into it. Today, they ended the week at 57.19. Moving average 10 is 56.31. Moving average 50 is 57.62. And moving average 100 is 58.45. Our platform that I'm using is Webull, but this stock is also available on Robinhood. If you want to join any of those platforms, I have a link down below where you can join and get a free stock. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you check out the description down below. Now, if we look at the stock, I am using the interval of 1 minute. So it kind of went down. Started out, tried to go and have a little bullish run up, but it kind of went down and just kept going down. But then tried to bounce back, gave it the old dead cat bounce towards the end of the day. If we look, the volume kind of increased towards the end of the day. But if we look on the left hand side, there was a massive sell off. So in general, I would say at the current moment, based off these analysis, that it is very bearish at the moment, even considering it going up and then also having all this green volume. This is a 1 minute chart, so if I was using a 15 or 30 minute interval, we probably wouldn't even see this section right here, and it'll just be all red because it's so minute and compared to the rest of them. With that being said, let's jump to some background information on Nikola Motors and see how they're actually doing as a company. So this press release came out on the 3rd of June, so it's semi-recent but not too recent. It says Nikola and VectoIQ acquisition. So basically just saying that the acquisition, happened. If you're new to the stock and haven't heard about it, it used to be VectoIQ Acquisition Corporation, but they bought Nikola Motors, and now it's Nikola Motors. Changed ticker signs to NKLA. It also says Nikola raises more than $700 million through the business and PIPE, which include Fidelity Management and Research Company, Value X Spring Fund, and P. Schofield Asset Management LP. So it said raised capital expected to accelerate Nikola's production of battery electric, so BEV, and hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles, FCEV. Nikola pre-orders represent more than 10 billion in potential revenue. And Nikola's hydrogen network anticipated to cover North America, set to become the largest hydrogen network in the world. Nikola adds Stephen Grisky, current CEO of VectoIQ and former vice chairman of General Motors, to its board of directors. So a lot of big moves that are being made with the company when it first started to take off. Now that it's taken off and is established as a company, what do they actually have going on that will reflect in the share price? So going to some more information from them. This article came out on the 10th of June. And it basically says Nikola adds seasoned industry veterans to drive energy infrastructure and manufacturing rollout. So they got a nice little picture of their facility here, which is in Phoenix, Arizona. And then it says Pablo Cosner will lead Nikola's hydrogen fuel and battery charging business as president of Nikola Energy. Cosner's extensive global energy distribution services experience is derived from his more than 18 years with Caterpillar. President of Solar Turbines and Vice President of Electric Power. Then they also added Mark Duntz, I think that's how you pronounce that, joins Nikola's team as global head of manufacturing, 22-year veteran of Toyota and 5-year veteran of Tesla. So he has some big names behind him, and he has joined the team as well at Nikola. So it says he comes at a critical time as Nikola accelerates toward the production launch of its Class 8 Nikola Tre Bev in ULM, Germany with joint venture partner IVECO, and breaks ground in Coolidge, Arizona manufacturing facility. So, adding two big names to the company, both with experienced backgrounds. Why this guy left Tesla, I don't know. Um, but he has come to join the Nikola team. And, you know, when this article came out, this was really, the only company who was next to Tesla who was um, in the actual Class 8 category niche for electric trucks. But, if you've been following, I have a video on another company um, that is actually in that niche. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link up below on that, um, and they're actually doing big things as well. So three pretty big companies are going to be in that niche, but you know it's going to be interesting to see which one will actually make the best vehicle and have the most impact as well. And it may not be the same company. So Tesla kind of has a lot of things going on, but they're kind of at historic highs at the moment. So a lot of positive momentum around them. A lot of hype was around Nikola when it first came out. They also have a lot of different things going on, but it seems like they're focused solely on infrastructure and these Class 8 vehicles. So that seems to be their main focus, which to me will seem to be their driving force for future potential revenue. Um, so going into next one, it says the Badger pre-orders open June 29th at 11 a.m. And it went pretty crazy. I know a lot of people locked those in. Um, Basically, reading the bullet points on this, Nikola World 2020 is December 3rd through 5th of 2020. So look forward to that. Pre-order secure a Nikola World 2020 ticket, receive a discount off vehicle purchase. All pre-orders qualify for a chance to win Badger at Nikola World 2020. Badger pre-orders available in battery electric vehicle BEV and hydrogen electric vehicle FCEV models. The BEV expect to offer 300-mile range, um, while the FCEV will offer approximately 600 miles of range. Manufacturing expected to go through OEM partnership to announce before Nikola World Electric 0 to 60 miles per hour um, is approximately 2.9 seconds. Badger anticipated to generate over 906 horsepower and 980 foot-pounds of torque. Nikola NZT and WAV pre-orders also open on June 29th and will make a special appearance at Nikola World 2020. So it seems um, around the December time frame, we're going to know a lot more information in regards to the actual production of this truck and maybe get a live demonstration of the truck itself. But I'm interested to see a prototype of this actually on the road, sort of like the Cybertruck was. Um, December 5th, probably a pretty big day as far as the whole Nikola company is concerned. But you know, still a lot of speculation out there as far as will these vehicles get 300 miles or will they get 600 miles, and is that 0 to 60 really 2.9 seconds, because that's pretty quick in my opinion for a truck, and will their horsepower really be 980 foot-pounds of torque. Now these are pretty big metrics, pretty tall orders to be established, but I am definitely looking forward to December 3rd through 5th to see them deliver on these actual, you know, promises for this truck. Now, going to the page, the nice rendering of the truck on here. And if we can see on here, this package actually is sold out. So the $5,000 package sold out. The pre-order package for $1,000 deposit, the $250 deposit is still available. on the website. So this is currently today as this video is being made. So you know, basically people jumped on that, but it doesn't seem like, the $1,000 deposit one really sold out. The $250 deposit one didn't sell out as well. Now, whether that's a good thing or bad thing, I don't know, because it does say limited availability for the $5,000 deposit. But in my opinion, if something, like this was so, revolutionary, or, such a good thing, why did these two not sell out? Why didn't this package sell out, and why didn't this package sell out? If it was a very revolutionary vehicle, why didn't all of the pre-order um, packages sell out? Now, it may just be because this is limited availability, and this isn't a limited availability, but I would definitely like to see the numbers on that, on both of those, to see, how many people actually made pre-orders as when that actually opened. Now, they may release those numbers sometime before December, um, but I'm interested in to see that. But in my opinion, I think this is still a speculative stock. In my opinion, I think they have a lot of things to prove as far as the company is concerned, especially if you're going against a company that's also well established like Tesla. Tesla has basically proven time and time again that they can meet deadlines and exceed customer expectations. And if you're claiming to be a company like that, expectations are set pretty high, in my opinion, as far as trying to prove yourself in this industry. So, not saying that it's a bad company and that I wouldn't invest in it, but I'm just saying, they definitely have big shoes to fill as far as the company as a whole. Now, I'll definitely be looking for those December dates for the Nikola World release. Um, of the Badger, and to see the people go out to that. Definitely interesting technology in general. I'm happy for the whole niche of electric vehicles being a thing now. But definitely want to keep your eye on for the future, and definitely keep your eye out on this date for Nikola World 2020. Basically, to see, you know, all the updates and how all these things are going to be performing, and if they basically have a product that people you could see people, um, actually buying, because at the price that it is, 60,000 to 80,000, these are not cheap vehicles by any means. But if they do deliver on the promises that they made by having all these different specs, then maybe well worth it. Drop a comment down below and tell me what you guys think of Nikola Motors. Do you think it's a buy? Do you think it's a pass? Or are you all waiting on the December time frame as well to see more updates on the vehicles? Good luck to you all trading out there. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure that bell notification. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.